Hi everyone, today we are going to learn about digital fluency. Come, let's start with the introduction. Okay, in higher education, how we help students prepare for the future by becoming not only problem solvers but also problem creators. Did any child in 2000 say they wanted to be a drone operator, or data scientist, or lift driver? These jobs are new in the last 12 or 15 years. So, how do we help students? Have one way to provide students with huge skills to become big, bold problem solver in by offering that of opportunities to digital fluency. Digital fluency also requires excellent communication skill, new media literacy, and cognitive load management to address the issues and concerns we face today and in the future. Okay, what is digital? Digital is system that can be used by computer and electronic equipment. Digital also system that generate and process binary data, and also it is a information technology or technology. Okay, now we come to fluency. What is fluency? Fluency is flexible, accurate, efficient, and appropriate. It is a skill, language, and speech flows naturally and easily. Fluency also using technologies to learn, to work, and to play. At last, it is a culture way of thinking and also practice. Okay, what do you think about digital fluency? Digital fluency is the unconscious ability to operate within the digital world using digital technologies seamless in every aspect of life, learning, work, social activities. By using this digital fluency, we can understand how to use digital technologies. Not only that, we can develop our skills. Digital technology is combination of digital or technical, and digital technology is a problem solver and also critical thinking. Not only that, digital fluency also collaboration is a collaboration. Okay. Now I'm going to talk about digital fluency skills. As I do the research of digital fluency, I get 6 skills of digital fluency. The first one is programming new technology. Programming new technology is based on desktop, application database design, and also web development interface design. The second skill is create meaningful content. It is animations, photo stories, web content, videos, presentation, and also posters. The third skill is critical evaluation. It is a fact checking, triangulation, source, qualities, and also evidence. The fourth skill is understanding how the technology works. It's like the internet, how the internet works. And then WWNet, search engine, content generation. The fifth skill is use application software. It is a productivity software, web browser, mail application, and also games. Last but not least, the skill is use hardware and operating system. It is a file management, network connection, installation software, computer, keyboard, mouse, tablet, and camera, and also so on. We have a lot of hardware, right? Okay, this slide is about the digital fluency. This one also the skills and also the information under the digital fluency. From the digital fluency, we have information data and media literacy, and then have digital creation, innovation, and the fourth one is digital communication, collaboration and participation. The fourth one is digital learning and development, and then we have digital identity and also well-being. Okay, now we move to importance of digital fluency. What are the importance of digital fluency? I mentioned before, digital fluency is based on the technology, right? Okay, now I'm going to discuss about the digital technology's importance. Digital fluency gives a good benefit to computer programmers or information technology workers, and the truth is that it's an important skill for today's world, for today's 21st century. Digital fluency also provides learners with understanding the different types of technologies and their learning application. While the positivity is digital fluency is important for increasing the positive information communication technology, that is ICT effect in nowadays world. This one is how the digital tools work in one program or platform. Digital fluency also important in developing our skill in learning of technology, and then digital fluency also important to develop a marketable skill in 21st century. Digital fluency is a huge opportunity for students to build their skill and exposure to a wide range of technology tools. This digital fluency makes students confident, builds students confident to facing the problem, the huge problem in our world. They can solve the problem by using this digital fluency. The next slide also continue of the importance of digital fluency. Digital fluency is a collection of fluencies including curiosity fluency, communication fluency, creation fluency, data fluency, and innovation fluency. Okay, the first one is curiosity fluency. Why is curiosity fluency is important in digital fluency? Because student can having questions and student desire to answer those questions by developing their own answer. They can use the digital fluency and they can develop their own answer. Communication fluency is important because its ability to communicate new knowledge across to choose a medium that is important, impactful. For example, storytelling is one of the communication medium for learner. The third one is creation fluency. It's seeing that is a deep understanding of how create and leverage knowledge to make something new. Creation fluency can make by visual and it includes 3D printing and programming. The fourth important fluency is data fluency. It because the capacity to use data set to make informed decision. And then this knowledge is about what the technology can do to process new data. The last important fluency is innovation fluency. It is a realization that failure is a valuable part of the learning process. To develop and innovate, learners need to take risks, fail, learn from those failures and the process to bring a new idea. Whatever we are nurse or an HR or an accountant, it is important to understand different technology is a highly demand skill for 21st century. Okay, next, why do we need to be digital fluent? Okay, The Australian School Library Association states that technology is ever changing and being able to read or even use a computer is not enough. Our student must be able to evaluate and apply information. When using technological resource, be sure that you are using the correct tools to express idea in appropriate context. Be knowledgeable in social media and email ethics, internet safety and privacy, managing your online footprint, and also evaluate anything before using. By using this digital fluency, we can compete with huge technologies in this 21st century. And then we can create and navigate information successfully. Digital fluency will make us to work with collaboratively and also solve critical problems with creatively. Other than that, digital fluency will prepare learners not only for the future jobs but also to be entrepreneur, activists, researcher, and lifelong learners. We need digital fluency to solve critical problems and also learn the challenges not just for this century but it's for upcoming century too. In addition, we can explore ethical decision making, critical thinking, courageous leadership, and cultural awareness. These are the digital fluency that we are using for this 21st century. In overall, we must understand that it is more to computer skill or information literacy. Digital fluency development must include lifelong inquiry, exploratory, playful, collaborative, ethical, and media learning. We must need to be digitally fluent to teach and learn effectively in 21st century digital environment.